The other thing is to actually take a look at your spending habits. Are you spending the money on something that you truly want, or are you being influenced to buy it? The FOMO thing, the fear of missing out thing, is real and is used every day in sales. It's used as a pressure tactic, and the reason it works is because we inherently are pack animals. We need to have a pack around us to survive. And if we feel that we're not part of the pack, the part of our brain kind of goes into hyperdrive because now it's worried it's not part of the pack. And that leads us to make impulsive decisions based on being influenced. So before you make a purchase, ask yourself, does this align with my values? Is it something that I truly need and want? And will I care about this next month? That's one that I use a lot. Will I care about this next month? Before I make any purchase, I usually give myself a 24 to 48 hour cooling off period because I am definitely a shiny squirrel person. And I will wind up buying stuff that I don't need simply because it's shiny. So for me, by using a cooling off period, I'm able to take that impulsivity that I have out of the equation and make better decisions about my purchases. The other thing that I do is I don't follow trends. Trends are merely marketing. If you get yourself out of following trends and following what everybody else does, like a lemming, then you're going to wind up saving yourself money because you're not doing what everybody is doing. And I could point to a certain type of cup. That get yourself out of the habit of following trends. Because when you follow a trend, then you have to stay in the trend. And that is just a way of getting more money out of your pocket. So give yourself a cooling off period before you buy something and think about it. Is it something that aligns with your goals? Is it something that you really want? And are you even going to remember that you got this a month from now? Cutting mindless spending isn't about depriving yourself. It is about not spending money on things that don't matter to you. It is about not getting stuck in being influenced. And it's about keeping more of your money available to you to do things with that you really want to do, such as maybe go on a vacation, to do stuff that truly adds value to your life.